We're headed up Mount Roberts right now. It's July 3rd. We're headed up for the fireworks. We got Micah with us. Say hello, Micah.
How's it going?
Spencer. Totally not in focus, but that's okay. As usual, we're already struggling, but eventually we'll get up there.
Bro, we are way faster than the other group.
Yeah, whatever helps us sleep at night. Yeah. We made it up the mountain. We're up here at the tram. We're not up to where we're camping yet, but we did make it up here. We survived, Spencer, huh?
Yep, we made it.
Micah, we made it all in one piece. And that's where the fireworks will be shot off, down there. And we're gonna go farther up that way. We're up on the mountain right now. There's a lot of people up here. There's a lot of tents scattered up there and ones below us. Seems like a lot more people than usual. We're gonna have to try to find where we're gonna set up camp for the night, but it's looking like it's gonna be a good night up here. Not too windy, pretty clear out, so far so good. We got up here, we found Tucker's tent, so we're just taking over his tent. We scared him off. I don't know where him and Bryce went. Oh, they're coming back, but yeah, we're taking over their tent now. What you got going there, Spencer?
I almost lost it. This is not good, dude. No.
How's the weenie roasting going? Are you just holding?
Not very good right now.
Spencer, that's a really nice roasting stick you got there. Should you leave the leaves on there for flavor? Tucker, it's good you have your sunglasses because it's really sunny out here.
I left a $140 pair of Ray-Bans up here the last time we went up.
I remember that.
It's a good thing you brought them this year. I just woke up. There's Spencer there. That's where I was sleeping. Yeah, I slept pretty good last night. It's like 9 a.m. now. Slept in a lot later than I thought we would, but yeah, fireworks were good last night. Got a solid night's sleep. We'll head down here in a bit. Look at Tucker in there, still sleeping like a little baby. Just got our stuff all packed up, about to head down the mountain. Got my stuff packed up there. Spencer's still getting his stuff packed up here. Bunch of other people still up there. A couple people there. More people down farther, but yeah, gotta hike back down. Just made it off the mountain. We made a pretty good time coming down. Made it down in 42 minutes. Yeah, now we're just gonna head back home and go eat some food. Chill out for a bit before we come back down here for the parade, probably.